So I was just sitting here talking, and somebody came up and started eating my macaroni and cheese.
She's a good dog. Did she spit it out?
No, she's eating it. She loves macaroni and cheese. She's like, I love macaroni and cheese. It's the best.
Look.
Oh, wow.
She's eating mine.
She's a good girl.
Yeah, she's not an old girl.
No, she's a baby.
Is Dodie a baby?
Yeah, Dodie's a baby. Dodo.
Where's your family?
Every time we say Dodie, I think of Dodie Fayette. Like, you know, Princess Diana.
Where's Dodie's family?
I'm showing my age. Anyways, let's do a little bit of school, guys. And then we're going to fold up some laundry, okay?
Something's got my foot.
What do you want to do today?
There's a zoo bird.
Owen is unschooled, which means that it's child-led learning. It means that he tells me what he wants to learn.
And I say math.
He's into math right now. Okay, so we're going to do some math stuff.
Can we do some, like...
And Ellie's in preschool, and
Yeah, she does her preschool first, and, I help her out by, like, pretending that I'm in her school by, you know...
He just helps her do her work. Maybe we'll get to go play outside.
Hey, man, now what's it doing? That outside. This.
Okay!
Do you want to practice handwriting today, Ellie?
Yeah.
I think we should do some letter recognition.
We haven't done this yet. Tell your friends about our vlogs, please.
See her? Got Mater. Yeah. I think she's feeling better. Got Mater? Yeah. Well. Where are you gonna go? Bye. Get it. There you go. Say mwah. Is there a baby in there? Say bye. Yeah.
Hello, everybody. It's the end of one vlog and the beginning of another. So I'm sorry I didn't end the vlog yesterday. We actually went to bed at 7 o'clock last night. So anyways, bye.